Welcome. This video provides instructions on how to configure new or existing units on the Remote GP website for managing on-site standby generators. To begin, point your browser to the login page located at www.remote-gp.com. Submit your email address and your password, and then click on the Sign In button. The website will then display the home page. The home page provides a dashboard view of the entire fleet. Find the unit that you want to work with by looking for it under the column titled Asset Description. If the unit has already been configured, that asset description will be displayed on screen. If the unit has not been configured, then its mobile ID number will be displayed in this area. Find the appropriate unit and then click on the field titled Asset Description for that unit. The website will then display the asset configuration page. This page is divided into several working sections. The first section asks us to specify if it is an outdoor generator or an indoor generator. Outdoor generators will report their location using GPS signals, but if the generator is located in the basement of a building or inside of a parking structure, it may not be able to receive the GPS signals. The website allows you to specify that this is an indoor generator. Then you can follow some separate instructions to specify its location on a map. We'll deal with indoor generators in a separate training video. For these purposes, let's assume that this is an outdoor generator. The next section asks for asset data. The asset data features two mandatory submissions. You must submit a very specific asset description for the generator. This information should enable you to identify exactly which generator you're looking at. This information will be included with each alert notification sent as a text message or an email message. You should be able to read that message and know exactly which generator triggered the event by recognizing its asset description. Next, you should submit a unique unit ID for that particular generator. The other fields are purely optional, including the make, the model, the year of manufacture, etc. You can also choose any of these icons to represent that particular generator on the various maps that the website will display. You can also associate any unit with a particular branch or department. And then the next section deals with fuel monitoring. If the generator monitoring unit has been equipped with an optional fuel level sensor, this section titled Fuel Monitoring Using Fuel Sensor should be filled out so that the system can report the fuel level according to the configuration of that particular tank. The other alternative, if the fuel level sensor is not available, is to use the Fuel Monitoring Using Computation system, sometimes called eFuel. In this situation, you would specify the capacity of the tank and the consumption of the generator while it is under load, as well as the consumption of the generator when it is not under load. You can specify at which point a low fuel notification should be triggered, and this will enable the website to produce low fuel notification warnings even if you don't have a fuel level sensor, because these notifications will be developed by calculation. The next section is titled Inputs. When the monitoring unit was originally installed, the technician should submit notes to specify what type of event, if any, is reported on each of the input wires. There are 4 input wires. Each wire can report a specific type of event. Those wires are the violet wire, the white wire, the green wire, and the brown wire with a white stripe. You can submit the appropriate type of event for each wire, and that will enable the website to deliver very specific messages to you when those faults occur. The last 2 sections are for automatic scheduled remote energize. If the monitoring unit was installed with the remote start-stop feature, this section of the configuration page will enable you to specify when you want it to start, how long you want it to run, and how frequently you want those exercise events to occur. The last section deals with failure to exercise or run. You can specify when the machine is supposed to exercise, either once a week, once every 2 weeks, or once every 4 weeks. And then by clicking in the field for failure to exercise or run, the website can alert you if the generator has not exercised as specified. After filling out the information on this worksheet, click on the Submit button. The website will display the updated information on the home page, and you have completed the configuration process. Tune into this channel for more instructions for other aspects of the website. Thank you.